Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be looking at some stuff, some fun finds. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I this Ken, which is one of the new Fashionistas. This is Fashionista 204 and I think he's a really good looking Ken. And now I feel like I'm complete with like all the skin tones of Kens so far, that to complete all the Kens that I would need, because I wanted about 4 Kens and right now I'm at 3. And I did get the wheelchair Fashionista, that is his skin tone, to do a body swap, because you guys know I do doll photography, so I need my dolls fully articulated. So I'm gonna go ahead and get him out of the packaging so we can get a closer look at him. Also guys, I wanted to say, do not throw away your Fashionista bags, because these make perfect storage for doll clothes, doll items. When you travel, you can take your dolls in these little pouches. Do not throw these away. Recycle these guys because they really do come in handy. Alright guys, so this is Fashionista 204 straight out of the packaging. And straight out of the packaging, I love his facial expression. Like, he's giving mature Ken vibes. Like, I kind of feel like some of the Kens look really young in the face, so I like my Kens to look a little older, and broad Kens, I feel like broad Kens look older than the other kind of Kens, in my opinion. And I did get a body swap for him. I will put in the corner of the screen which Fashionista I got to switch bodies with him, so you guys will know a good body donor for him if you guys have questions about that. And right off rip, I really love his shirt. His shirt is actually really cute, and usually I don't really like the Fashionista outfits for Ken, but this is a shirt that I would have on my Ken dolls. And right now I'm at 3 Kens because I'm very picky with Ken dolls. I'm so picky when it comes to Ken dolls. Like Barbie, I'll have tons of Barbies. Even with Barbies, I'm picky. Like, I like a certain look, and I'm more partial to a smaller eye. But you know, with Ken dolls, they have to really bring it for me to buy them home and bring them home. So I really do like how he has like a bandana type of print on his clothes. I think that's pretty cool. And it's just a shirt and it velcros in the back, and then it could come straight off of him if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snap that back on him. And I love how the velcro and the design goes all the way around, and I really do like that. And then also he comes with these shorts with the same bandana material, and this top part is lined the same color as the shorts so it can match. Now the shoes, on the other hand, I actually like these shoes because I feel like with acrylic paint I could make these look like high top forces, because I've been looking at the high top forces keychains at the mall. They're almost like $30 a piece, and I feel like if I can color these shoes, like paint them and make them look like forces, because they do have potential to be forces. Like right here, you can just paint it to make it like a check. It will look so awesome, and I think it's a really good idea for if you do get a Ken doll with these kind of shoes. So I really do like these shoes, and I think they're really nice, really nice. So I can appreciate this shoe. Like, this shoe is definitely going to be painted. And check me out on Instagram just so you guys can see when I do paint it. You'll probably see it in a photo shoot with one of the Kens with their girls. Because you know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know all my Ken dolls have girlfriends. So, and also, I wonder what doll I would put with him. I kind of want to put Robin. If you guys don't know who Robin is the doll I just recently did a makeover on. And she's so pretty. If you guys think Robin should be the girlfriend for this Ken doll, put a purple heart in the comment section down below, and I'll photograph them together and they'll be a couple, and it'll be so cute. Alright, so just let me know what you guys think. So first off, Fashionistas just had the basic 5 points of articulation with movement of the head, shoulder, front and back, and out. And then they got rotation at the hip just to go out this far, and back well, forth and back. Well, they only go back this far, and that's pretty much the rotation. No other rotation for this Ken doll, but don't worry, because tomorrow his new body is coming. All right, and I'm thinking about giving him some tattoos, because if you guys haven't seen my doll makeover, which I'll put a picture of the video in the corner of the screen, and I will link it in the description box down below. I did a complete makeover on a doll, the boxer Barbie, and I really loved doing that. That video was so much fun to do. So you guys check that out as well. So I absolutely love this doll. I think he's so handsome and cute. And I like the man bun. And you know what's funny? I had the barista Ken, but I feel like his face looked a little too young. But this Ken has a little more of a face like my other dolls. So I like him a little more, if I could be honest with you. You guys don't know I had the barista Ken because he never saw the light of day, because I ended up donating him because I just didn't like it. I'm just being honest. So yeah, so this is the Ken doll that I got from Walmart. And then the other thing that I got from Walmart is this right here. So this is the Nanana Surprise Minis. So I saw Ex-Canadette open this on her channel, and then AJ Loza, I saw him open on his channel, and they all show like the little code so you know which one you get. So I got the one with the circle. So the one with the circle should be this girl right here, which is the one I wanted. She's so cute. I'm thinking about making her my little purse doll. She's so freaking cute. Like, she's just so cute. And so pretty much it comes with a doll and fashion and the shoes. So you see that in the corner, and these are some of the dolls you can get. These are all the dolls in the series, which is pretty much a mix of series 1. They say it's a mix of series 1 and series 2, but I think it's just series 1. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So to open it, you're gonna go to the back right here and pull it out. Her confetti comes out, so I have my bag ready right here because I do not want confetti on my floor. So this is the guide, and pretty much this guide will tell you what Nanana mini you're going to get. So I followed what Angel Loza had on his channel, and also my video is also for adult doll collectors, if you guys are wondering. So just so you know, to put that out there. So these are the different symbols for the dolls. If you guys are trying to find them, I'm gonna put it slowly across the screen just to help you guys out. If you guys are looking in the store, you can screenshot like I did, because it really did help me figure out what doll I was getting. I really wanted this one too, but I didn't know what size she was. This one right here, I'll probably go back for this one. They're only $10, so it's a really good price for a mini doll. And I love the reviews that I've seen so far, so I'm happy about that. So first things first, we have the big bag, which I'm guessing this is the doll. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag in front of me and open it. And a whole bunch of confetti came out into the bag because I do not want that on my floor. I don't feel like getting that off my floor. So this is how the doll looks. She's in a cocoon. It looks like a little tiny butterfly cocoon. So let's go ahead and give her life. So let's open her up. And when you open her up, she is a little tiny teddy bear. I love this. I think she's so pretty. And I love teddy bears in real life, so this is just so adorable. I like brown teddy bears. This is my favorite kind of teddy bear. And I love the fact that she's like a cream brown, and she has pink hair. And my favorite color is pink, so she has like this rosy gold pink hair. And I really do love that. I didn't see many people buy her, so, you know, I'm glad that I can show her, because honestly, I liked her. And she was my favorite. So let's get into her fashion. So let's go ahead and open that up. So she comes with another bag, 2 bags actually. So this is one of the other bags. So I'm going to open it down here because I don't want no confetti everywhere. And it is her teddy bear. Yeah, her teddy bear sweater. It's so cute. It has a little teddy bear face on it. It has outlines for pockets. It has a little crisscross tie on both sides. And it comes on just like a little LOL outfit does. So I think that's super cute. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on her because girly, you need your clothes. So let's just pop it on her. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. I love her. I want to put her in my purse. I want to put her in my purse. Like, she's so adorable. Oh my god, so cute. Look how cute she is. Oh my god. I kind of want her in big size, to be honest with you, because I unboxed my first Nanana doll on my channel. If you guys haven't watched it, I will link it in the description box down below. And I love this. It's just so cute, and now I want her in regular size. Now that I see her like this, it's like, oh. I'm going to see if I can find it on Amazon. And oh my god, I do want the Valentine's Day one. There's a Valentine's Day one. I'll put it in the corner of the screen that I want so bad. It's so cute, and I really do like that. So let's go ahead and open the other surprise bag that she came with. I'm thinking that it's like the shoes, and some of them have fabrics like clothes. Oh, here, the fabric is right here. So her socks are fabric socks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on her. So she's pretty much wearing a sweater dress, and then she has socks and some shoes. So let me put on her fabric socks. So we got one on right here, and I love how it goes all the way to the knee. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the other one on. So adorable. All right, and I love it. Look at these socks, so cute. So we're going to put the shoes on, and she has like these Timberland inspired looking shoes. So we're gonna go ahead and just pop this on. I heard that the shoes don't stay on as well. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna hot glue it because I'm not going to change her clothes. She's gonna stay in this outfit forever. So I don't mind hot gluing her shoes to her foot. So let's go ahead and put her other shoe on. And I love the way that they painted the details. Like, I get mad sometimes, like low-key I get mad because I feel like if you could paint details this small on a small doll piece of clothing, you could do it for a regular size doll, a fashion doll. So I'm just putting that out there. But I think this is so cute and adorable. And let me tell you the name of this mini. So her name is Sarah Snuggles, and she's so adorable. That's her right there with the little bear with the circle. So cute. And I kind of want to make her my purse doll. So I'm going to go ahead and like hot glue her feet after I'm done with this video, and then pretty much have her in my purse like as a purse doll. So the next thing that I got from Walmart, oh, I did ended up finding two mini verse. We are gonna do these, but we're gonna do these in a separate video because I want to show you guys step by step. And also, this is just a little teaser, and also it's made by resin, so we do need to be in a more ventilated area, and I don't want to do this in my room because it's ventilated but not as much as I would like, and it's late at night and I'm about to go to sleep soon, so we'll do this another day. So next, the last thing that I bought a Shadow Hide handbag, and I did do the cheat, so this should be the basketball purse because if you don't hear that, there's a chain in there, and someone said if you hear a chain, you know it's a basketball purse. So I got this because yesterday I reviewed Raina, which is Glitch, Raina Crown, and I was telling you guys I want to get Ainsley, so I'm getting her on Amazon. So I wanted to get a Shadow Hide purse to go with the outfits. Like, I don't know, Glitch just made me want to do it. So I have a couple rainbow high bags, but I don't have any of the Shadow High handbags. So I got this in Walmart for $10. And you know, it comes with the certificate right here, like the little tag and everything for the bag. And then the bag opens up like this. And then, yep, you can tell that it's the basketball because look at the shape of this. So let's open this up. Oh, see, told you. What did I tell you guys? So if you guys want to know, just shake it. If you hear a chain, it's the basketball purse. So this is the basketball purse. This is supposed to be for Nicole, but I'm going to use this for Glitch because I want to put her some black outfits, and this purse will be really, really cute with that. And then also I do plan on getting some more mini fashion series 2 bags because I want to see if I can get a couple of the ones that I didn't get. I'm gonna try like maybe 3 more times and see what I get. If not, then I'm just going to stop right there because that's what I did with series 1. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for everything I got at Walmart today and my little Walmart haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of this video. What item was your favorite? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.